Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can activate your US Bank Focus Card online. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, you'll have to type www.usbankfocus.com/card-activation. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of US Bank, and on the card activation page, here you'll have to enter your 16-digit card number, which you can see from the front of your physical card itself. Now after entering your card number, all you'll have to do is click on the continue button. Now you'll have to enter your 4-digit passcode, which will be the last 4 digits of your mobile phone number. After entering your passcode, all you'll have to do is click on the validate button and follow through the prompts shown in the next page. After you've entered all your details and followed through the process, all you'll have to do is click on the activate button that will be shown on your screen, and you'll have successfully activated your US Bank Focus Card online. So it is that easy, and if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.